Okay, you want to take the sea, Captain?
Oh, okay. Ah, Mario, it's you! Oh, that's Marge Simpson right there.
If death by laughter appears imminent,
Help me! I'm laughing and I can't get up!
send for help immediately.
No, you have to continue using that voice now.
Remember me? You saved me from the tight flop spot in the Autumn Mountain a while back. So we should... Oh, gosh. So we should say no to see. It just sounds wrong.
Oh my god! Oh.
Another stream.
I forgot that was his voice.
He sounds like Meta Knight from the Kirby show. Those things really are everywhere. Thanks for taking me all the way out there to the great sea, Big M. I've got plans to rescue Olivia, but we'll need a special item first. It'll be found on the luxury ship of the Princess Peach. It should still... I'm missing a word, but that's okay. It'll be out here somewhere, I hope. Dialect boxes are in terrible positions. The developers did not take into account the people on the left side. I know it's right-hand supremacy, but once we get out our hands at... Oh god. Once we get our hands on that item, we can save Olivia in no time.